One of the most effective ways of recording in a DAW is to record to a click track, and it's really easy. If you've not used a click track before, don't worry. The first thing to do is to turn it on, and you can turn it on and off just by clicking on this metronome icon in the bottom right-hand corner. As soon as you hit play, the click track will sound. And now the best way to figure out if the click track's in the right tempo is simply to play what you want to play over the top of the click track. Now my piano part's a bit faster, so what I need to do now is adjust the tempo. So I can come down to the transport window and click in this section right here and type in a faster tempo. And now when we hit play, the tempo will have sped up. If you're still not happy with it, you can go back and adjust it. You can do this as many times as you like. Have a play over the top of it, and once you're happy with the tempo, hit the record button and put the part down. The great thing, of course, about working in a DAW is you're not locked into a particular tempo. Go back and have a listen to the part that you've just recorded and see if you're happy with the tempo. You can even do a bit of editing while you're listening to it. If you think it should be faster or slower, then once again it's just a matter of going back down to the transport window and entering a new tempo. Working with a tempo in a DAW is really important because it means that we can sync really important parts of our production together. So if I brought drums or drum patterns in, I can sync it up to this tempo. We can also change the metronome sounds by going across to this menu. Down the bottom, we can pick between a number of different types of metronome sounds. So it's completely up to you to configure the sounds to a noise that you're happy with or comfortable with when it comes to recording. Thanks for taking the time to stop by. Please go to our Cubase YouTube channel and subscribe for plenty more videos just like this. I'll see you there.